Hey guys, welcome to my Zero to Profit review. In this video, I'm going to explain to you guys everything you need to know about this brand new product. Now, Zero to Profit is a brand new affiliate marketing training program that's going to allow you or show you a step-by-step process on how to make $100 in just 10 minutes. And you heard it right. You can literally make $100 or more in just 10 minutes because the traffic that they are using in this training program is super powerful, right? Once you plug in the traffic, you're gonna see sales comes in a couple of minutes, and you can use this traffic into any offer you want, right? So if this is guys something that you are interested in, I want you to stick with me till the next video because I'm gonna show you exactly how this works, and on top of that, I'm gonna give you access to uh, my special bonuses for you guys that I prepared for you so you guys can really make, can save you a lot of money. All right, so my first special bonus for you guys is how I made $133 sending single email using free traffic. Now with this bonus, you can get access to a secret platform that's gonna allow you to send an email to thousands of people, and with this traffic source you can make $100 or more in just a single email. And I'm gonna show you exactly that I made $133 using this method, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do that using this bonus right here. Now that's my first special bonus. My second special bonus for you guys is an email swipe software, which generates high converting email swipes that you can use to any offer, because we all know writing a copy in your emails, it's a little bit tedious and time consuming, especially if you're not a native English copywriter. That is why this email swap software right here generate you a high converting email software that you can use to any offer. All right, so that's my second special bonus for you guys. My third special bonus for you is I'm gonna put your affiliate link in all of my upcoming videos, my YouTube videos, not just one videos, all of my upcoming videos. And remember, I'm only allowing 5 people for this special bonus right here. So those are my special bonuses that you're gonna get if you pick up Zero to Profit through the link down in the description of this video. On top of all those bonuses, you're also gonna get access to this other bonuses right here, which can also save you a lot of money. My first bonus for you guys is an email marketing software, which is Syndio, and you can use this to to send emails if you wanted to build your list online. Then this is super useful because you by this software you don't have to pay for any monthly payment for your email marketing software like GetResponse or um, any email marketing software out there. So that's my first bonus. My second bonus for you guys is $100 in 24 hours, which is an affiliate marketing program. My third bonus for you guys is 100 day using your mobile phone, which is another affiliate marketing training course. My fourth bonus for you guys is a from broke to 100K per month, which is another affiliate marketing training program. My fifth bonus, guys, is 100 day using free traffic, which is another affiliate training program. And my last bonus, guys, is Profit Factory, which is another affiliate marketing training program. Now, those are my bonuses, and you'll also be getting all these special bonuses right here if you choose to pick up Zero to Profit through my link down in the description of this video. Now, let me take you to Now, if you click the link in the description of this video, you'll be taken to this document, which you can learn more about the bonuses that I prepared for you. Now, if you decide to pick up Zero to Profit, now I want you guys to click on this link right here, which redirect you to this sales to the sales page that looks something like this, where you'll be able to learn more about Zero to Profit. Now, remember this product only cost you $8, but you're gonna get access to all of my special bonuses right here, which can save you a lot of money. All right. Now, let me take you to to the members area. Now, um, there's only 6 videos right here that they show you exactly step-by-step process on how to do this. um, Video number one, it's they're gonna welcome you and thanking you for purchasing this program. Now in video number two, guys, is they're gonna show you an overview on how this product works. Video number three is they're gonna show you how to pick up an offer product to promote, and they're gonna also show you exactly how to get approved to those products that you wanted to promote. Video number four is they're going to show you where to get the traffic, both free traffic and paid traffic. And this is the best part, because this traffic source that they're you know um, using in this training program is so powerful, and only few people knows about this uh, traffic source, which that allows you to make $100 in just a couple of minutes if you plug in this traffic source, right? Now, bonus number five is how to set up your account, and then bonus number six is other offers that you can find inside of this training program. Now, right? So if you have any questions about this, guys, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you decide to pick up Zero to Profit, now, I want you guys to encourage to use my link down in the description of this video, so you can get access to all of my special bonuses right here that you can save you a lot of money if you wanted to grow your online affiliate business online, right? So I hope you like my review, and if you have any questions about this, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. Alright, so I think that will be in this video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.